Hello everyone, today we are going to solve the examples of NCERT of chapter Relations and Functions. Example 1. If x plus 1, y minus 2 is equal to 3 and 1, find the value of x and y. We have learned if two ordered pair equal, the corresponding element will also be equal. So, in this question, since the ordered pair equal, the corresponding element will be equal. So, x plus 1 will equal to 3 and y minus 2 will equal to 1. Now, by transposing it, we will say that x is equal to 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2, and y is equal to 1 plus 2, and therefore y is equal to 3, and therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Example 2. If P is having element A, B, C and Q having element R, form sets P into Q and Q into P. So first of all, let's take two cases, case 1 and case 2, where in case 1 we will solve P into Q and in case 2 we will solve Q into P. So we all know that as per the Cartesian product, to make ordered pair, first element must belongs to first set and second element must belong to second set. So in case of P into Q, we will make A and R, B and R, C and R. So P into Q having element AR, BR and CR. And similarly in case 2, Q into P will equal to RA, RB and RC. Example 3. Let set A having element 1, 2, 3, set B having element 3, 4 and set C having element 4, 5, 6. Then find set A multiply by set B intersection C. So first of all, let's find set B intersection C. We all know intersection means the common element. So in this case, the common element of set B and C is 4 and set A include element 1, 2, 3. Therefore, set A into set B intersection C will be 1 and 4, 2 and 4, 3 and 4. Since we know to make ordered pair, first element must belong to first set and second element must belong to second set. Second, find the intersection of set A into B and set A into C. So first of all, let's find A into B, where set A include element 1, 2, 3 and set B include element 3, 4. So set A into B is equal to 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 3 and 3, 4. And similarly A into C, where set A include element 1, 2, 3 and set C include element 4, 5, 6. So A into C will equal to 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 4, 3, 5 and 3, 6. So intersection of set A into B and set A into C will be the common element of set A into B and set A into C, which is element 1, 4, 2, 4 and 3, 4. Set A multiply by set B union C. So first of all, in this case we will find B union C, where set B consists of element 3 and 4 and set C consists of element 4, 5, 6. Therefore, set B union C equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. which means set B union C include element 3, 4, 5, 6, and therefore set A multiplied by B union C will equal to 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Fourth, find set A into B union of set A into C. So first of all, in this case, let's find A into B and A into C, where set A includes element 1, 2, 3, set B include 3, 4, and set C include 4, 5, 6. So A into B will equal to 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4, and similarly A into C will equal to 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Therefore, set A into B union of set A into C will equal to 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, and 3, 6. Example 4. If P is equal to element 1, 2, then form the set P into P into P. So first of all, P cross B is equal to element 1, 2, where 1, 2 belongs to P. Now, first of all, let's find P into P. We all know P is having element 1 and 2. Therefore, P into P will be 1, 2 and 1, 2, where we have following element 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Now, after getting P into P, let's find P into P into P, for which first of all we will write it as, where P into P have following element 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, and similarly P having element 1, 2, where this multiply by this first and then second. Similarly, this multiply by 1 first and this multiply by 2 second. Similarly, first we multiply 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 2, and similarly 2, 2 multiply by 1 and 2, 2 multiply by 2. So P into P will equal to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. Thus, P into P will have total 8 elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Example 5. If R is set of all real numbers, what do the Cartesian product R into R and R into R into R represent? First case, R into R. We can say that R into R is a set of element x, y, where x and y belongs to R and it represents the coordinates of point in two-dimensional space. Similarly, R into R having element x, y, z, where x, y, z belongs to R and it represents coordinate of point in three-dimensional space. Example 6. If A into B having element PQ, PR, MQ, MR, then find A and B. We know as per the ordered pair, first element belongs to first set and second element always belongs to second set. So in this case, A is equal to element P and M and P is equal to element Q and R. As we can see that Q and R are the second element in every case, where P and M are first element in every case.